Story 12. An unjust king asked a devotee what kind of worship is best. He replied, "For thee the best is to sleep 1/2 of the day, so as not to injure the people for a while. I saw a tyrant sleeping half the day. I said, this confusion, if sleep removes it, so much the better. But he whose sleep is better than his wakefulness is better dead than leading such a bad life." And we can see that people think that give me the money or the fame or whatever. But what if they are going to misuse it? So it's better that they don't have. But you don't, it's not about wanting deprivation or lack of power on someone. It's just, sometimes there's a cause.